This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by confirming power and safety. First, make sure the battery reads at least 50% or that external power is connected. This prevents brownouts during the switch. Next, ground yourself and verify the system shows standby. This avoids stray signals. Then, locate the mission control switch labeled only WAY, clear tools and people within 1 meter. Once done, position your hand on the actuator and prepare for a deliberate throw. This prevents accidental double toggles and ensures a clean state transition. You now execute the action carefully and confidently. Apply steady pressure and move the switch through its full travel. Avoid quick jerks because mechanical bounce can confuse the controller. Pause for 1 to 2 seconds at the detent so internal debounce and handshaking complete. This is why systems sometimes ignore fast flips. While holding through the detent, watch the HUD indicators and listen for the confirmation tone. These tell you the command registered. If the tone fails, repeat once more with identical, steady motion. You finish by releasing and verifying. Don't rush it. Release the switch smoothly and confirm the status lights read active or ready. This validates the state change across the bus. Once indicated, run a quick control loop test for 10 to 15 seconds to confirm telemetry and actuators respond as expected. If you see no response, cycle the system to standby, reground, and retry the only WAY switch once more. This single retry often clears transient faults. If still failing, escalate per procedure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.